Hi viewers, welcome to Pallavi Maths Hub. In this session, I am going to discuss about the chapter Arithmetic Progression. As all we know, exam pattern is changed. For SLC exam, they will ask only multiple choice questions. First question is, if the common difference, if the common difference of an AP is 5, then A18 minus A13 is equals to dash. Here the given common difference is 5. Then you need to find out A18 minus A13. A18 as A plus 17D minus A13 as A plus 12D. So if you multiply this one, you will get minus A minus into plus minus 12D. So A plus A minus A get cancelled. 17D minus 12D. 17D minus 12D is 5D. Now we know the common difference. Common difference is 5. Substitute D is equals to 5. You will get 5 into 5 is 5 5 is 25. So A18 minus A13 is equals to how much? What is the answer? Option B is right. Next, second question. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus dash 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 plus x is equals to 287 are in AP. Then value of x is dash. Here they given sum of all these terms which is equals to 287. Then this is Sn. Sn is equals to how much? 287. You need to find out this x value. And here two question mark. One is n. We don't know what is the value of n. Find out n by using this formula. Sn formula is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 287. A is 1. This is a value. D is a2 minus a1 means 4 minus 1 which is equals to 3. Now substitute a value, g value and Sn value. Sn is 287 is equals to n by 2 into the value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 3. 287 is equals to n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3n minus 3. Cross multiply, take 2 numerator, it will become 287 into 2 is 574 which is equals to n into 3n minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 which is equals to minus 1. Now multiply n into 3n is 3n square minus n into 1 is n. Now write it in standard form 3n square minus n minus 574 which is equals to 0. Now do factorization. Multiply this one 3 into 3n square into minus 574. 3n square into minus 574 which gives minus 1722 n square. Now split this term as 42 into 41. 42 into 41 is 1722. Plus into minus, minus 42n plus 41n which gives minus n. Okay. So now minus n. Instead of minus n, write these two terms. Instead of minus n, write these two terms. Minus 42n plus 41n. So 3n square minus 42n plus 41n minus 574 which is equals to 0. In next step, in these two terms, first group, first two term, next group, other two terms. In this term, 3n is common, take it out, remaining is n minus 14. In next two term, plus 41 is common, Remaining is n minus 14 is equals to 0. Again, n minus 14 common. Take it out. Remaining is 3n plus 41 is equals to 0. So we'll get n is equals to 14. N is equals to minus 41 by 3. N is always positive integers. Okay. So this is rational number minus 41 by 3. Don't consider. Take only n is equals to 17. Now, but what is the question? Question is, you need to find out x here. Is it right? Means an term, last term, an term. We know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is x is equals to the value of a is 1 plus n. Just now we got 14. Substitute here 14 minus 1 into d value is 3. X is equals to 1 plus 14 minus 1 is 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39. 39 plus 1 is equals to 40. Then what is the value of x? X is equals to 40. Which option is right? Option A is correct. Third question. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dash 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 plus 199. Then the sum of the AP is dash. You need to find out the sum. Last term is present here. So last term we consider this one as L R A N. Is it right? L R A N. So here I took A N. A N is equals to 199 and A is equals to 1 first term. D is equals to E2 minus A1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. We know the formula. Some formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus An. We know the value of A. We know the value of, you need to find out Sn. Okay. You know the value of A and An value. But you don't know the value of n. So use this formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 199 last term is equals to the value of A is 1 plus n minus 1 into the value of D is 2. Simplify this one, you will get n is equals to 100. So substitute n is equals to 100 in some formula. 100 by 2 into the value of A is 1 plus An is 199. 199 plus 1 is 200. Get cancelled this one, you will get 100. 100 into 100 is 10,000. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Fourth sum. The sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn minus 3n square minus 4n. Then its nth term is dash. Nth term is you need to find out An. An is question mark. As we know, An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. We know this formula An is equals to Sn minus S into n minus 1. Substitute the values. Sn is 3n square minus 4n. Sn is 3n square minus 4n minus of 3 into, instead of n, what is there here? Instead of n minus 1 is there. So replace n as n minus 1 whole square minus 4 into, yes, n is replaced as n minus 1. This is first group and this is second group. Okay. In next step, 3n square minus 4n minus 3 into a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. N square plus 1 minus 2n minus 4 ones are 4n minus 2 minus plus 4. Again in next step, 3n square minus 4n minus 3 ones are 3n square plus 3 ones are 3 plus into minus minus 3 twos are 6n minus 4n plus 4. In next step, 3n square minus 4n, right as it is. Here minus is there outside. Now multiply it. Plus into minus, minus 3n square plus into minus, minus 3, minus into minus, plus 6n, minus into minus, plus 4n, minus into plus, minus 4. Next step, 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square minus 3 plus 6n plus 4n is plus 10n minus 4. In next step, plus 3n square minus 3n square get cancelled. Minus 4n plus 10n minus 3 minus 4. Now minus 4 plus 10 is plus 6. N is there, n. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. So you got an is equals to 6n minus 7. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Fifth sum, 3p plus 7, comma, 2p plus 5 and 2p plus 7 are in AP. Then p is equals to dash. Yes, they mentioned are in AP. AP means common difference must be same. So A2 minus A1 which is equals to A3 minus A2 which is equals to A4 minus A3. Common difference must be same. So consider your first term is equals to, this is the first term A1, this is second term A2 and this one is third term A3. So A2 minus A1, this is A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Now substitute the values of A2, A1, here A3, A2. A2 is 2p plus 5 minus of A1 is 3p plus 7 which is equals to A3 is 2p plus 7 minus of A2 is 2p plus 5. Now simplify this one. 2p plus 5 plus into minus minus 3p plus into minus minus 7 which is equals to 2p plus 7 plus into minus minus 2p plus into minus minus 5. Plus 2p minus 2p get cancelled. Here 2p minus 3p is minus p plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2 which is equals to 7 minus 5 is plus 2. Now minus p I'm taking to right hand side and plus 2 I'm shifting to left hand side. So it will become minus 2 into minus 2 which is equals to plus p. Minus 2 is minus 4 equals to p. So which option is right? Option D is right. Next sum, multiplies of 4 lies in between 10 and 250s are dash. Yes. So you need to find out the multiplies of 4 lies between 10 and 250. So 10 is divisible by 4? No. 11 is divisible by 4? No. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4. Easily you can divide this one. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4. Next, 16. When you cancel this one, again it is divisible by 4. Next number is 20, 24, dash, 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 up to 248 because 250 is not divisible by 4. Next, similarly, check for 249. Is 249 is also not divisible by 4. Next, last number is 248. So consider this one is AN. AN is equals to 248. A first term 12. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 16 minus 12 is 4. So we know the formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D because here multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250 are dash means N is equals to question mark. N is equals to question mark. We know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 248, which is equals to a value is 12 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 4. Multiply this one, you will get 248 is equals to 12 plus 4 ones are 4n minus 4 ones are 4. 248 is equals to 12 minus 4, 8 plus 4n. 248 plus 8, take to left hand side, it will become minus 8 is equals to 4n. 4n is equals to 248 minus 8 is 240. Cancel this one, you will get n is equals to 16. Which option is correct? Option C is right. Next, seventh question. In an arithmetic progression, if an is equals to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the given progression is dash. You need to find out common difference. D is question mark. The given an is equals to 2n plus 1. Now find out a1 and a2. Obviously we know D difference is equals to e2 minus a1. Correct? Yes. Find out e2 and a1. In the place of n, replace 1. So a1 is equals to 2 into the value of n is 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, a2 is equals to 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So option C is correct. Next, eighth question. The 10th term of an AP 5, 9, 13 dash 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 is dash. You need to find out A10. 10th term means n is equals to 10. A is equals to 5. D is equals to E2 minus A1. 9 minus 5 is 4D is. So A is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A10 is equals to A value is 5 plus n value is 10 minus 1 into the value of D is 4. 5 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36 plus 5 is 41. So A10 is equals to 41. Ninth question. If the nth term of an AP is 4n square minus 1, then 8th term is dash. Yes, here the given nth term is 4n minus 1, then 8th term. So n is equals to how much? 8. Replace, in the place of n, put 8. So 8 is equals to 4 into n value is 8 whole square minus 1. 8 8s are 64. 64 4s are 256 minus 1 is 255. Which option is right? Option D is right. Next, 10th question. In an AP, if S1 is equals to 5, S2 is equals to 12, then value of D is dash. Yes, we know AN is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is the formula. Okay. So An is S1. Yes, obviously A1 is S1. You need to find out A2. In the place of N, put A2. A2 is equals to S2 minus S into 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes, S2 minus S1 is equals to A2. S2 is 12. S2 value is 12 minus S1 is 5, which is equals to 12 minus 5 is 7. So the value of E2 is 7. E2 is 7. So second term is 7. Now the value of D. D is equals to E2 minus A1. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Which option is correct? Option C is right. 11th question. If the nth term of an AP is An is equals to 24 minus 3n, then its second term is dash. In the place of n, put 2. A2 is equals to 24 minus, yes, n is 2. The value of n is 2. So into 2. 24 minus 3 2s are 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. Which option is correct? Option A is right. Next, 12th question. If the first term of an AP is 3, common difference, first term is 3, common difference is 2. Then 20th term, A20 is equals to question mark. A20 is equals to question mark. We know the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A20 is equals to 3 plus N value is 20 minus 1 into the value of D is 2. Simplify this one, you will get A20 is equals to 41. So option B is right. Next, 13th question. The sum of first n natural numbers is dash. So what is the formula for natural numbers? Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. 14th question. If 18, a, b minus 3 are in AP, then a plus b is dash. Yes, they given three terms. A1 is 18, A2 is A3 is, sorry, this is B comma minus 3. A3 is B and A4 is minus 3. So we know A2 minus A1 is equals to A4 minus A3. Substitute the values. A2 is, the value of A2 is A minus A1 is 18, which is equals to A4 is minus 3 minus A3 is B. So A minus B take to left hand side, it will become plus B is equals to minus 3 plus 18, which gives 15. So option B is right. 15th question. If x plus 2, 2x and 2x plus 3 are in AP, then the value of x is dash. We know A2 minus A1 is equals to, common difference must be same. So A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Substitute all the values. This is A1. A1 is x plus 2. A2 is 2x. A3 is 2x plus 3. So A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Substitute all the values. A2 is 2x minus half. A1 is x plus 2 is equals to A3 is 2x plus 3 minus A2 is 2x. 2x plus into minus minus x plus into minus minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 3 plus into minus minus 2x. Now plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Plus 2x minus x is plus x minus 2, which is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 minus 2. Minus 2, take 2, right hand side, it will become plus 2. So you got x is equals to 5. So which option is right? Option C is right. Next, 16th question. Dash term means n is equals to question mark. N is question mark. You need to find out n. So here 4, 7, 10, 15, dash 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 is 37. So this is AN. AN is equals to 37. A is equals to first term 4. D is equals to difference between two terms. A2 minus A1. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. We know formula. We know the formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 37 is equals to the value of A is 4 plus N minus 1 into the value of D is 3. Simplify this one, you will get n is equals to 12. Option B is right, 12 terms. 12 term is 37. 17th question. If sum of the n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 4n, then the common difference of an AP is dash. The given sum of the terms means Sn is equals to 3n square plus 4n. You need to find out common difference. You need to find out common difference. D is equals to question mark. If you need D, you need to find out A2 minus A1. Means we want value of A2 and A1. Yes, obviously we know A1 is equals to S1, which is equals to 3 into the value of n is replaced as 1 in the place of n, put 1 whole square plus 4 into the value of n is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 4 ones are 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. In next step, A1 plus A2, sum of the two terms is equals to S2. 3 into the value of n is 2. 2 whole square plus 4 into the value of n is 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8. 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. Here, so in the place of S2, you can write A1 plus A2. Or else A2 is equals to S2 minus S1. How you wrote this one means S2. In the place of S2, you can write A1 plus A2. S2 is equals to A1. Instead of A1, you can write S1 plus A2. Now find out A2. A2 is equals to S2 minus S1. A general formula, AN is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay. So A2 means in the place of n, if you take 2, A2 is equals to S2 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, S1. Now substitute the values. S2 we know 20 minus S1 is 7. 20 minus 7 is 13. So D, we need to find out common difference. Common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 13 minus A1 is 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So which option? Option C is correct. Next sum. In an AP, if n is A is equals to 1, AN is equals to 20 and Sn is equals to 399, then n is question mark. Yes, we know AN, Sn. So which formula you need to apply? Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus AN. Substitute the values of Sn. Sn is 399, which is equals to n by 2 into the value of A is 1 plus AN is 20. Simplify this one, you will get n is equals to 38. So option C is right. 19th question. The common difference of an AP can be expressed as, yes, D is equals to AN minus 1. For example, A, the value of n is 2. A2 minus A into 2 minus 1. So, you can write this one as A2 minus A into 2 minus 1 as 1. Yes, difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. So, general term expressed as AN minus A into N minus 1. 20th question. If AN is equals to if AN is equals to 2n minus 1, then S2 is equals to dash. S2 means sum of the two terms. Sum of the two terms means A1 plus A2. You need to find out A1 and A2 separately. We know an is equals to 2n minus 1. First find out a1. You got a1 is equals to 1. For a2, you will get 3. So 1 plus 3, s2 is equals to 4. I hope all of you understood this session. In upcoming session, I will discuss more chapters. So keep watching, subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you students. Thank you all.